Hello, welcome back to How to Win CompXM Top 10 Winning Tips. This video gives the details for the Proctor's CompXM. So lesson 4, you can check the other video for lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, and this video for lesson 4 focus on marketing, prices, promotion and sales forecast calculation. I show you the detail now. You can check the CompXM and then you find the details here of the previous round. You see the report for the price. You can also check the 5 segment trip here to see the price of competitors and price of your company here. So you don't need to have the lowest price. For core segment here. You have the price here, 28.5, and this thing account for your top market share. So maintain the good price and good profit margin, right? You will have the best price. You see that higher than competitors. So set the most competitive price, right? Most competitive price. And then you can use the Excel file to keep track of the most optimal price here for 4 round trips, core, nano, and elite, and reduce 50 cents each round. So remember to check the report to see the price of your company and price of competitors to set the best price. And for the sales forecast, promotion and sales, so you see that you can use from the 1,400 to 2,000. So set 2,000 to get the best, increase from 1,400. And then for the sales forecast calculation, the most important thing is to calculate the sales forecast. You start here, page number 4. You see the unit you sold last round here and inventories here, this column and this column. So use this to calculate the sales forecast. Multiple by around 11%, so 10% is okay, right? 10% is okay, and 14 or 20% is okay. So roughly you can increase by 15%. Use Excel file to calculate like this. I show you. You use the unit you sold from last round and inventories here, multiple by the segment growth here, and then you get sales forecast and production, right? So that's easy and simple to pass. Calculate that to pass CompXM, even that Proctor exam, which is okay for you, get the top result. So that's lesson 4, marketing, prices, promotion and sales forecast calculation. If you have any question, send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com or get the free support for our 1 and our 2, and then you can continue, right? I see the top result here, the top result 916, the top result 940 is easy, right? And then if you want, you can get free support for our quiz 1, free Excel file. Send the email to mbacim.ferris@gmail.com to get the free Excel file for your game, or get the support to complete on the 4 round and 5 quizzes with top result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.